everybody. We are out here. It is staging for the Unlimited race right now. We're really excited for a good day. We've had a really great week so far. Qualifying went awesome yesterday. We had Kevin Thompson in the concrete truck, Rob McCacker and Ryan Arciero all in the top 5. Really good showing for all the KC equipped folks out here. So today is the day. Time to hammer down. We're gonna get on the course, get a lot of cool race footage, and just have a really good time. But until then, we're gonna go check out the grid walk and just kind of see all the trucks in staging. Out here right now in the middle of the course. Gene Hurst, the pit, is actually right behind us, so we're at a really great spot, getting some good content in. Everybody's on the Unlimited side of the spectrum. All those big trucks are on their last lap 404 today. Rob Mack and Ryan Arciero were in lead on the 3rd lap. Both of them look like they had some mechanical issues, things that happened out there. So right now, Kyle Jurgensen is currently in 1st place, followed real closely by Tim Herp. So we're gonna boogie right back to the start-finish line down in Prim right now. Hopefully we're gonna catch them flying through. Hopefully Tim Herp catches them flying finish. Looks like they're really close. So we're gonna boogie over there. Overall, had a great day filming out on the race course though.
Holy smoke, this was a great deal, man. Get on out of that truck, man. Youngness, I'm sure you probably shot one of those off before.